quote is really where your information is identical to the original source. So you are using word for word the exact same thing that the original source said. In a paraphrase, you're going to change your wording, change the sentence structure, still keep the same information, but you're going to put it into your own words. When you cite a quote, you use quotation marks, you use the author, the year, and then a page number or paragraph number. In a paraphrase, you give the author and the year, and you can choose to give a page number, but it's not required. So there's a little bit of a difference in citation. Now you'll see, the quotation marks have a yield sign, and the paraphrase has a go sign here, and that's because we really want to be wary of using direct quotations too often. When you use a direct quotation, you're parroting someone else's information, kind of like a little, how parrots copy and imitate people's words, and that's in essence what we're doing. When we use a direct quotation, we're not using our own words, we're using someone else's. So it can be very helpful to use someone else's words, but to do that often really shows that we're not critically engaging with the information. We're not, really diving in and understanding necessarily. I could copy and paste multiple quotes out of a book, but if I don't explain them or integrate them or use them in any sort of way, why would anyone want to read my work, right? They would want to go back to that original book. It would be much easier. So, just be aware that quotations can be helpful, but you do really want to be wary of using them too often. Paraphrases, however, are always going to be stronger. When you can take information and put it into your own words, it really shows that you're critically engaging in that text. You're understanding it, you're able to re-articulate it in a new and fresh way.